Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon. Hi, this is Saoz, IT specialist and member at Web Development. And let's be real, you clicked on this video because you're interested in the cutting edge of cybersecurity. We're diving deep into the world of Kali Linux, the go-to playground for ethical hackers and security researchers around the globe. Now, Kali is already known for its insane toolbox of pre-installed hacking and penetration testing utilities, but things move fast in the digital world. New exploits pop up, vulnerabilities are discovered, and developers are constantly pushing out new tools to stay ahead of the game. That's why we've brought in a true expert in the field to walk you through the top 5 newest hacking tools that are shaking things up in Kali Linux. We're talking about the kind of tools that can give you a serious edge, whether you're bug hunting, testing your own defenses, or just want to stay informed about the latest threats. For in-depth details, check website Cybersecurity, link in description. Let's get started. Alright, kicking things off at number 1, we have NetSploit. Now, before you seasoned hackers roll your eyes and skip ahead, trust me, this isn't your grandpa's Metasploit. This revamped beast takes everything you thought you knew about network exploitation and cranks it up to 11. First off, the developers have completely overhauled the user interface. Gone are the days of clunky menus and command line chaos. NetSploit now boasts a sleek, intuitive dashboard that even your grandma could navigate. Okay, maybe not your grandma, but you get the point. It's designed to be user-friendly, without sacrificing any of the powerful features that professionals need. It's user-friendly, while still packing that raw power we crave. But the real magic happens under the hood. NetSploit now incorporates advanced scanning algorithms that can sniff out vulnerabilities faster than ever before. We're talking lightning-fast discovery of open ports, outdated software, and those juicy misconfigurations that hackers drool over. And once it's found a weakness, NetSploit comes loaded with a massive library of pre-built exploits, ready to be deployed with pinpoint accuracy. Think of it like a surgical strike on your target system, exploiting vulnerabilities with surgical precision. But it doesn't stop there. NetSploit also excels at post-exploitation, giving you the tools to maintain persistence, escalate privileges, and basically become the ghost in the machine. So whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or just starting out, NetSploit is a game changer that deserves a spot in your arsenal. It's not just a tool. It's a comprehensive suite designed to make your job easier and more efficient. With its combination of ease of use and powerful capabilities, NetSploit is set to redefine how we approach network security and exploitation. So gear up and get ready to dominate networks like never before with NetSploit. Moving on to number 2, we're diving into the world of cryptography with Decrypto. Now, encryption is the backbone of modern security, but it can also be a major headache for security professionals trying to analyze malicious code or recover stolen data. That's where Decrypto comes in, acting like your very own cryptographic Swiss Army knife. This tool is all about giving you the power to analyze, decrypt, and even crack various encryption algorithms. We're talking everything from basic ciphers to more complex hashing algorithms, and even some early implementations of blockchain security. Decrypto provides a user-friendly interface to experiment with different decryption techniques, making it an invaluable tool for learning about cryptography or for quickly testing the strength of your own encryption methods. But here's where Decrypto really shines: its brute-forcing capabilities. The tool leverages the power of your machine's GPU to rapidly try different key combinations, making short work of weak or poorly implemented encryption. Of course, I have to add the disclaimer here. Use this power responsibly. Decrypto is an incredibly powerful tool, and with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure you're using it ethically and legally, folks. Alright, number 3 on our list is for all you stealthy ninjas out there, Phantom Sonar. This tool is all about staying hidden, evading detection, and moving like a ghost through the digital world. Imagine being able to navigate the internet without leaving a single trace behind. We're talking next-level obfuscation and anti-forensic techniques that can make your activities virtually untraceable. It's like having a digital cloak of invisibility. Now, Phantom Sonar achieves this in a few key ways. Let's break it down. First, it can dynamically alter your network fingerprints, making it appear as if your traffic is originating from different locations and devices. This is crucial for maintaining anonymity. This makes it incredibly difficult for firewalls and intrusion detection systems to pinpoint your true location. It's like playing a high-stakes game of hide and seek, but with data. But it goes deeper than that. Phantom Sonar doesn't just hide you, it erases your tracks. Phantom Sonar also implements advanced data sanitization techniques, wiping away those pesky digital footprints that you might leave behind. It's like cleaning up after a digital heist. Think of it like a self-destruct button for your online activity, erasing any trace of your presence. It's the ultimate tool for those who value their privacy. And for those of you who really want to disappear into the shadows, Phantom Sonar has you covered. Phantom Sonar even offers basic VPN and Tor integration, adding an extra layer of anonymity to your operations. This means you can browse the web with an added shield of protection. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds like something straight out of a spy movie, right? Well, you're not wrong. It's as thrilling as it sounds. Phantom Sonar is a powerful tool that should be used with extreme caution and only for ethical purposes. Misuse can lead to serious consequences. But for security researchers and penetration testers, it's an invaluable asset for simulating real-world attacks and testing the effectiveness of your defenses. It allows you to think like a hacker to better protect your systems. At number 4, we have a tool that's particularly relevant in today's age of phishing attacks and social engineering, WebWeaver. This tool is all about crafting convincing fake websites and web applications that can trick even the most savvy users into giving up sensitive information. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building fake websites? That sounds like something a script kiddie would do. But trust me, WebWeaver is anything but basic. This tool allows you to create pixel-perfect replicas of legitimate websites, complete with working login forms, payment gateways, and even dynamic content. But here's where it gets really interesting. WebWeaver also allows you to inject custom scripts and payloads into your fake websites, giving you complete control over what happens when a victim interacts with the page. Imagine this. You create a convincing fake replica of a popular online banking website. A victim enters their credentials thinking they're logging into their account, but instead their information is being sent directly to you. Now, I'm not advocating for you to go out and start phishing people, of course, but for security professionals, WebWeaver is an invaluable tool for conducting security awareness training and demonstrating the dangers of phishing attacks in a controlled environment. By using WebWeaver, security experts can create realistic scenarios that help employees recognize and avoid phishing attempts. This hands-on approach not only educates, but also empowers users to be more vigilant and proactive in protecting their personal and organizational data. In the end, WebWeaver is a powerful tool that, when used ethically, can significantly enhance an organization's cybersecurity posture. And finally, rounding out our list at number 5, we have Data Miner. This tool is all about extracting valuable information from massive data sets, because let's face it, data is the new gold rush, and knowing how to find the nuggets hidden within is crucial. Now, Data Miner isn't your typical data analysis tool. This bad boy is specifically designed for security researchers and investigators who need to sift through mountains of data to uncover hidden patterns, anomalies, and potential security risks. Think of it like this. Imagine you're investigating a data breach. You've got terabytes of log files, network traffic data, and user activity records to comb through. Data Miner can automate this process for you, using advanced algorithms and machine learning to identify suspicious activity, compromised accounts, and even potential data exfiltration attempts. But Data Miner's capabilities go beyond just breach investigation. It can also be used for threat intelligence gathering, vulnerability research, and even digital forensics. Need to analyze malware samples to identify command and control servers? Data Miner can help. Want to track the spread of a new ransomware strain? Data Miner can do that too. It's an incredibly versatile tool that can give you a serious edge in the world of cybersecurity. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 newest hacking tools in Kali Linux that are shaking things up in the cybersecurity world. Remember, the landscape of threats is constantly evolving, and the tools we use to combat them must evolve as well. By staying up to date with the latest advancements in Kali Linux and other security tools, you'll be better equipped to protect yourself, your organization, and your data from the bad guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity goodness, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and keep those firewalls strong. See you soon in the next video.